Let's make
the death sandwich
from regular show.
You must first sign this waiver of death.
Yeah, sure, let's
why
do
not?
it.
All right, I'll have that out for you in a minute. One death sandwich.
Yeah.
But remember, if you don't eat it right, you die.
I'm about to tear this thing up. Death sandwich. Death sandwich.
Here's how you can make
The Inferno Challenge!
from regular show.
Our wing sauce is made from mutated ghost peppers, hot magma extract, and black widow venom.
I'll do it.
Tick-tock, city boy!
Okay, I honestly thought this was going to be super spicy, and it is a bit spicy, but I only used one ghost pepper, but even the smell kind of reminds me of a Carolina Reaper, and I hate it. But taste-wise, because we put the magma, aka Pakistani ketchup, it actually tastes pretty good. And the black widow, aka squid ink, doesn't really add any flavor whatsoever. But these are still some tasty, somewhat spicy wings. I can finish this whole thing. Here's how you can make
Microwave wings,
from regular show.
dash of pepper, blast of curry, mixing them slow, whoa, not gonna hurry.
What are you singing?
Microwave wings! Microwave wings, microwave wings! Where did everybody go after the show? Benson's on his own again, don't you know? Benson eats alone. Benson eats alone.
This is weird. So you don't really make anything. You just buy wings and then you add black pepper and curry powder, which, you know, that could mean many things. I just mix in garam masala with turmeric powder, the raw curry powder, heated up by the microwave on already cooked wings is quite odd. If I had to rate this out of 10, regardless of where you get the wings from, I would be deducting points just because of the raw curry powder. I don't think adding raw curry powder is going to increase the flavor. I think it's just going to make it worse. Here's how you can make
Grilled cheese deluxe from Cheezers?
from regular show. To buttered brioche, I'm going to add cheddar, smoked Havarti, Fontina, Monterey Jack, Gouda, and provolone. I'm going to cook this low and slow until it gets a nice crust on each side, and you can't forget about the cheese leather.
Ah, how did you manage this?
I bought it with money.
Nice.
Okay, I thought it was going to be overpowering because we put so many different types of cheese, but this actually works. It's nothing too heavy, and I'm surprised that, you know, like I don't feel sick of eating too much cheese. I guess this is what Bayashi feels like. I'm not a huge fan of olives though. Here's how you can make
Sandwich of life.
from regular show.
Did you honestly think I'd just hand over the sandwich of life?
Come on.
Eat it! Is this going to give you life if you eat it?
No, I'm gonna die.
Out of 10?
5.5.
5.5, yeah, I would think the same thing. Here's how you can make
Those apple fritters were double glazed by mistake.
from regular show.
Double glazed.
To make the glaze, whisk powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. Let's dice up a Granny Smith apple and then in a bowl add flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, eggs, milk, and applesauce. Whisk well until it turns to this really thick pancake-like consistency, then add your apples and it should look something like this. Preheat oil to 375 and with the help of a slotted spoon, carefully add dollops of your fritter mixture and deep fry until they're golden brown. Coat each fritter into the glaze, let it dry, and then dip it into the glaze again for that double glaze. And that's pretty much it.
We'll take them.
Actually, I gotta throw them out, bro, cause they're not safe for human consumption.
Wow, wait. Okay, this is definitely safe for human consumption. The closest thing to a fritter that I would eat would be a pakora, and this is honestly quite similar to how you would make a pakora. The main difference is in Pakistan we would use gram flour as opposed to all-purpose flour, but the process was pretty much the same, and this is definitely better than something you would find at Tim Hortons. Just full of apple flavor, a bit of the batter, you know, it's not heavy in batter. And the double glaze, I think that's the way to go. So far, regular show has been on point with their recipes, unlike some other shows. I would give this a 8.9 out of 10. It's pretty good. Oh, and also, it's not my cheat day. This is just a small little exception. I won't eat the whole thing.
We'll give you $10.
You want those for Hero to go?
Here's how you can make
The rig juice.
from regular show.
1 can Radicola, frozen fruit punch concentrate, a dash of hot sauce, sugar roasted sugar bomb for texture, and the rest. Witness the rig juice.
Dude, I don't think you should drink that.
Whoa, my face feels like magic.
Okay, now usually I don't like to do stunt food because it's just a waste of food. Surprisingly, it isn't disgusting. It's actually edible. I'm more surprised at this than I was at Peter Griffin's carb panini. I don't taste the dried fish. I don't honestly taste the pickle juice. It's more so just the soda, the fruit punch, and a bit of the hot sauce. And it is sizzling because of the Pop Rocks. I don't want to waste it. Oh god. Oh, my eye. I touched hot sauce. Okay, let me just hurry up and drink this. It's not bad. 4.7 out of 10.